closer this time.
What do we do now? I don't know. Jam the wheel or something.
No, please! I'm too old. I can't walk without my cane.
Oh, hello.
Hold on, guys! I'm gonna get you out of there!
There's nothing we can do anymore. They're going to have to jump.
Catch me, Darwin!
I'm sure they're still okay.
Oh, wait, these are all Dad's nacho cheese wrappers. This is our trash can. We've been chasing the wrong one.
Which means they're still in Mr. Robinson's trash can at home.
There's still time to get them back in the house before the cops come.
I agree. Wearing a tie every day, despite neither of us having a job, is perfectly appropriate.
It gives you a sense of purpose when you have absolutely nothing to do.
You know, Watterson, maybe you and I aren't so different after all.
And all it took was my children locking us in a dumpster to realize it. We should have just done this in the first place. Ah! Boys, finally!
Frosty, Frosty,